Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage website audits with Ahrefs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Audit tool in the dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you want to audit in the designated field. Adjust the crawler settings based on your preferences. Set the number of pages you want to scan, typically between 100 to 200 pages is a good start. Click on the Start Audit button to initiate the scan. Wait a few moments for Ahrefs to crawl your website. Once the scan is complete, review the Overview section for a summary of issues found. Examine the health score to assess the overall SEO health of your site. Delve into the Issues tab to identify specific problems. Prioritize issues based on the impact on your SEO. Review page details for more information about individual pages and their problems. Use filters to categorize issues by type, such as content, performance, and accessibility. For each issue, click on it to understand what needs to be fixed. Utilize the Resolved and New sections to track your progress on fixes. Make notes on the recommended changes for your site. After making necessary updates on your website, re-audit the pages. Repeat the process regularly to ensure optimal website health. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your website audits with Ahrefs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.